Experiencing issues with your Tesla app displaying home charging stats? You're not alone. Many users face this problem, where charge levels, energy consumption, and location data for home charging are either blank or inaccurate. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve this frustrating issue and get your charging stats back on track. This guide is current as of December 2025. The Tesla app relies on several key factors to accurately display home charging stats. First, precise location data from your phone's GPS and vehicle telemetry is crucial. Ensure location services are enabled at the system level in iOS or Android settings and within the Tesla app itself. The app needs accurate GPS data within 10 to 50 meters to track charging locations. Secondly, the app synchronizes data with Tesla's cloud servers via its API, so a stable internet connection is essential. Stats are pulled from the vehicle's onboard computer and require authentication and connectivity. Finally, verify that your wall connector is properly registered to your Tesla account with the correct home address. This involves updating the address in your Tesla account settings and ensuring the charger is linked to your vehicle. Let's start with the basics. On your smartphone, go to your settings and find the Location Services menu. Make sure that location services are enabled for the Tesla app and ideally set to Always Allow. Within the Tesla app, confirm that the correct home location is set. Also, ensure your Tesla's GPS is active, particularly during charging sessions. A GPS accuracy of within 10 to 50 meters is ideal. Sometimes, a simple restart is all it takes. Start by completely closing the Tesla app. Swipe it away from your recent apps on your smartphone, then reopen it. This action clears temporary cache and memory issues that might prevent the app from syncing properly with your vehicle's charging data. If the app restart doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to restart your smartphone. Power it off completely, wait about 30 seconds to allow the system to fully shut down, then turn it back on. This deeper restart can fix underlying system problems that interfere with the Tesla app's ability to access location permissions and communicate with Tesla's servers. Finally, address network-related problems. If you're on Wi-Fi, go to your phone's settings and toggle Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. For persistent issues, restart your home router by unplugging both the router and modem, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. These steps refresh your internet connection, which is crucial for the Tesla app to communicate with your vehicle's charging systems and display accurate home charging stats. For troubleshooting step 3, if you're using a Tesla wall connector, start by ensuring it's properly registered under your Tesla account. This registration links the charger to your vehicle and allows the app to track charging data. Next, verify that your home address is accurate in the Tesla app settings. An incorrect address can prevent the app from associating charging sessions with your home location, leading to missing stats. Then, check for firmware updates for the wall connector within the Tesla app. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues that prevent charging stats from displaying correctly. Confirm that the wall connector has proper wiring according to Tesla specifications. Incorrect wiring can interrupt the connection between the charger and your vehicle's systems. Finally, ensure the wall connector is in close proximity to your vehicle during charging. The app relies on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signals to communicate with the charger, so distance can affect data transmission. For more persistent issues with home charging stats not showing, try resetting your smartphone's network settings. This will clear any cached network data that might be interfering with the app's connection to Tesla's servers. To reset network settings on Android, go to Settings, then General Management, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset Network Settings. Also, if you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with the app's ability to accurately determine your location for home charging stats. Tesla support has confirmed that VPNs are a top contributor to reported issues with charging stats display. The future of Tesla app troubleshooting is looking brighter with emerging technologies. Tesla is increasingly integrating AI-driven diagnostics into the app to automatically resolve location-based glitches. By learning from user data, the AI can predict and fix issues before they escalate, creating a self-healing experience. Expect to see augmented reality features that allow you to visualize charger locations via your phone's camera. This AR technology will overlay digital information on the real world, making it easier to locate and troubleshoot home charging setups. Integration with smart home ecosystems like Google Home and Amazon Alexa is also on the horizon. This will enable voice-activated stats retrieval, allowing you to simply ask your smart assistant for charging information without opening the app. These advancements promise a more seamless and intuitive experience, though privacy considerations around constant data sharing will need to be addressed. Tesla's focus on sustainability will also bring features like carbon footprint tracking for home charging. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and are still experiencing issues with your Tesla home charging stats not showing, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can provide personalized assistance and investigate any underlying problems with your account or vehicle. Also, explore the Tesla community forums for additional tips and solutions from other users. These online communities often share effective workarounds and insights based on similar experiences. Remember to stay updated with the latest app versions and Tesla's ecosystem for optimal performance. Regular updates can resolve bugs and improve features like home charging stats.